Dear teachers, welcome to TLS coaching session 12. Today we will see another important topic, assessment, difference between assessment and evaluation, and types of assessment. Before going into that, please give some time, read through this question and try to answer by yourself. If not possible, by the end of the session, you will get a clear picture and you will be able to answer this question perfectly. Now, assessment is an ongoing process, whereas evaluation is a final outcome. Assessment is an information, whereas evaluation is a judgment. Information in assessment is used to increase the quality, whereas evaluation is used to judge the quality of the students. When you see this picture, you will understand and get. So we know already assessment is a process of gathering evidence of the student's performance over a period of time to determine learning and mastering of the skills. What is the purpose of assessment? The purpose of assessment is to diagnose the weakness and the strength of an individual or a group of students, identifying their difficulties and their causes, monitoring students' progress. It is used for the placement and screening of the students. Assessment is used to provide the feedback to the students, teachers, parents, and the administration. And assessment contribute to evaluate teachers' performance and even for the planning and reviewing of the curriculum. There are two types of assessment, formative assessment and the summative assessment. The questions will come on this type of assessment for sure. Formative assessment focuses on the process, how learning is going on, whereas the summative assessment focus on outcomes, what is learned. This formative assessment monitors the students' learning to provide or giving the feedback, whereas this summative assessment evaluate the students' learning at the end of the instruction. There are different types of formative assessment and summative assessment. One is formal formative assessment and informal formative assessment, formal summative assessment and informal summative assessment. If you take formal assessment, examples are assignment, exams, essay writing, and then case studies. These are all the examples of formal assessment. Whereas for informal assessment, fill in the blanks, crossword, puzzles, quizzes, worksheets. These are all the examples of the informal assessment. So you must have got a clear picture on what is a summative and what is a formative assessment. We'll go through this question and we will analyze which one of the following statements accurately describes the difference between a formative assessment and a summative assessment. Will come from D, option D. A formative assessment can be used as a diagnostic assessment, but a summative assessment can be used to indicate end of course proficiency. Formative assessment can be used as a diagnostic assessment. Diagnostic assessment is different. It is done in the beginning of the lesson, whereas formative assessment is done in between. So that option is not a correct option. When you go to the C, a formative assessment can be used to indicate a student's potential at a certain point in time, while the summative assessment is used to measure all overall potential. This will make you think about whether it is a correct answer or not. You have to neglect this option because this assessment is to assess the student's learning. It is not to assess the student's potential. So this C is also ruled out. And we already have learned that a formative assessment is an assessment for learning, and a summative assessment is an assessment of learning. And as I have marked green, that is the correct answer. We'll see what is A, option A, informing us. A formative assessment can be used to project how well a student might do on the final examination, while a summative assessment cannot. That is again a wrong answer, because formative assessment is not used to find out the student's final examination result. Yeah, only summative assessment is used. So we have to rule out that question, that option as well. Thank you.